case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1993 case heard by the Superior Court of Pennsylvania, Clairton Corp versus Geo-Con Inc., the court examined the implications of a tenant remaining in their rental property after the lease expires. The case centered around a dispute between landlord Clairton Corporation and tenant Geo-Con Inc., as the tenant continued to stay on the commercial premises for around 7 months after the initial 2-year lease had expired. During this time, the tenant was negotiating a new lease with the landlord's consent and continued to pay the same monthly installment rate. However, the lease did not include a holdover provision and no new agreement was reached between the parties. Eventually, Geo-Con vacated the premises, leading Clairton Corporation to seek unpaid rent for the remainder of the holdover period. In a non-jury trial, the landlord was awarded $1,466.50. The landlord then filed post-trial motions which were denied and subsequently appealed. The central question was whether a tenant holding over after lease expiration with the landlord's consent is considered as part of a holdover tenancy for 1 year or on a month-to-month basis. Ultimately, the court decided that the tenant's possession and payment of rent after the lease termination did not automatically renew the lease. Citing the contrary intent exception from an earlier case, the court deemed a month-to-month lease more appropriate under the circumstances. Therefore, the tenant's occupation of the premises after the original lease expiry was determined to be a month-to-month tenancy.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.